today we're doing the exploding soda challenge, and yeah, I'll show you how to do it.
Okay, but I'm doing. This is mine.
Oh, turn it the other way.
This is for you. We don't know what it is.
Look.
Okay, here we go. I don't think it'll work.
No, I bruised it. It's working. Look.
Okay, here we go.
It already sold a pineapple.
It's in the chocolate milk.
It's not chocolate milk, it's double shot coffee. Just gonna keep on throwing it until it's.
Let me try.
It's hard. We have another one for you guys.
Oh wait, let me show them. Let me show them so far. Look at that.
It's leaking.
It has the papers off.
Okay. Oh!
It's done now. Red. Okay, it's done.
No, it's not.
It exploded.
It's not.
Eat it. It expired 6 years ago.
Yeah, it did.
Okay, so that was the challenge.
No, don't hold it that way.
And so bye.
No, we have one more.
Well, we have one more? No, we don't.
Yes, you do.
We have that Coke.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. No, go and throw it.
Huh?
Throw it. Throw it hard. Throw it hard. Come on. Oh, he flew away. It was pretty.
A lot of damage done.
There's some of the damage. We'll just stir this back and forth.
I'll try one more time.
The ones that are half are really hard to do.
I'm done. Bye.
Okay, guys, this is the damage of everything. I'm going to show you. Okay, guys, so yeah, bye.